Hey creative weirdos! Welcome back to my channel, where we turn the everyday into the extraordinary, on a budget. Today we're creating 3 stylish DIY home decor ideas using affordable Dollar Tree items. We'll make luxe wall art with foam board and LED lights, elevate a simple vase into a designer centerpiece, and craft floating shelves with hidden lighting, all for just a few bucks each. Grab your glue guns and let's dive into these chic, affordable DIYs together. If you love making your space uniquely yours without splurging, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off with luxury wall decor. If you've ever scrolled through Pinterest or Instagram and wished your space looked like those high-end interiors, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to create a luxe accent wall that looks designer, but costs less than a takeout dinner. This project is simple, impactful, and totally budget-friendly. You don't need any fancy tools or special skills, just a few affordable supplies and a little creativity. It's perfect for anyone who wants to refresh their space without breaking the bank. Start by grabbing a foam board from Dollar Tree as your base. Foam board is lightweight, easy to cut, and super versatile, making it ideal for renters or anyone who likes to change up their decor often. Measure and cut the foam board to fit your wall space. Want to get creative? Try cutting it into geometric shapes or even layering different sizes for a modern, dimensional look. This is your chance to play with patterns and make something truly unique. Next, grab Dollar Tree's peel and stick wall panels. They come in faux tile, brick, and even wood patterns, so you can choose the vibe that fits your style. These panels instantly elevate the look of your foam board and add texture and depth. Carefully smooth out any air bubbles with a credit card or a plastic scraper. This step is key for a crisp, professional finish. No one will guess it's a DIY. Now for the magic touch, lighting. Add Dollar Tree's battery-operated LED strips or puck lights behind the foam board. The soft glow creates a high-end, gallery-inspired effect that makes your wall art pop, especially in the evenings. Secure the lights with double-sided tape or a dab of hot glue, making sure they're hidden from the front. This keeps your design looking sleek and seamless, just like something you'd see in a boutique hotel. Want a custom look? Spray paint the panels in matte black for a dramatic, modern vibe, or go for metallic gold for a touch of glam. Let everything dry thoroughly before moving on. This is your chance to match your wall art to your room's color palette. Hang your masterpiece using removable wall hooks or command strips. No nails, no damage. Perfect for renters or anyone who likes to switch things up often. Step back and admire your instant art gallery vibes. With just a handful of supplies and a little effort, you've created a statement wall that looks like it came straight from a designer showroom. This DIY is perfect for renters, dorm rooms, or anyone who wants to add personality to their space without a permanent commitment. It's also a great way to experiment with trends. Change up the panels or colors whenever you want a new look. Mix and match colors, textures, and lighting to make it your own. Try layering different panel patterns, or even adding a pop of color with painted accents for a truly custom piece. The best part? Lightweight materials mean you can swap out your wall art whenever inspiration strikes. Store extra panels under your bed or in a closet for an easy seasonal refresh. Ready for our next affordable upgrade? Let's jump into table decor and keep the luxe vibes going. Next up, let's transform a simple Dollar Tree vase into a high-end centerpiece that looks like it came straight from a designer showroom. You don't need a big budget to create something beautiful, just a little creativity and a few easy steps. Start by picking out a vase shape that speaks to your style. Tall and slender, round and classic, or even something quirky. Give it a good wash with soap and water to remove any dust or stickers, so your paint and decorations will stick perfectly. Next, grab a can of matte spray paint in a color that matches your decor. Spray the vase in light, even coats, letting each layer dry before adding the next. This technique gives your glass vase a chic, ceramic-inspired finish that instantly elevates its look. Want to add some texture? Try dabbing on a contrasting paint color with a sponge for a stone or pottery effect. Or, for a boho vibe, wrap twine or jute around the neck or base of the vase and secure it with a dab of hot glue. You can even combine both techniques for a truly custom piece. If you love modern design, use painter's tape to create crisp, geometric patterns or color blocks. Paint each section in a different shade for a playful, contemporary look. Remove the tape carefully for sharp lines that look professionally done. Now it's time to fill your vase. Head to Dollar Tree's floral aisle and pick out a mix of artificial flowers and greenery. Don't be afraid to mix textures and colors. Think eucalyptus, peonies, or even faux pampas grass. Trim the stems to fit your vase and fluff out the arrangement for a lush, natural appearance. To anchor your arrangement and add a touch of sparkle, pour decorative stones, glass gems, or even colored sand into the bottom of your vase. This not only keeps your stems in place, but also adds a designer touch. For extra stability, especially with heavier or taller arrangements, press a piece of floral foam into the base of your vase. This makes it easy to arrange your stems exactly how you want them and keeps everything secure. Style your finished vase on a decorative tray with a candle and a stack of books for a cozy, layered look. Or, let your new centerpiece shine solo on your dining or coffee table for a bold statement. The best part? You can easily swap out the flowers for each season. Think sunflowers in summer, berries and pine in winter, or pastel blooms in spring. And if you ever want a new look, just repaint the vase or add new accents. Remember, it's not about how much you spend. It's about using your imagination to make affordable things look truly special. With just a few supplies and a little time, you can create a centerpiece that rivals anything you'd find in a boutique. So take a moment to admire your beautiful new creation and enjoy the compliments from friends and family when they see your designer-inspired table. Ready for one more game-changing DIY? Let's create some floating shelf magic that will take your space to the next level. Let's dive into the world of floating shelves and create that modern, Pinterest-perfect look without spending a fortune. If you've ever dreamed of transforming a blank wall into a stylish focal point, this is your sign to go for it. Floating shelves are the ultimate blend of function and style, and you don't need a big budget to make them work in your space. Start by grabbing Dollar Tree's small wood or plastic shelves. These affordable finds are the perfect blank canvas. Paint them in a sleek matte black for a bold, modern vibe, classic white for a clean look, or use a faux wood finish for warmth and texture. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try color blocking or even a pop of pastel for a playful twist. Once your shelves are dry, it's time to add some magic. Attach battery-operated LED tea lights or string fairy lights along the back edge. This simple touch instantly elevates the shelves, giving them a soft, ambient glow that feels high-end and cozy. For that true floating effect, mount your shelves using adhesive hooks or sturdy command strips. No need for drills or permanent holes. Perfect for renters or anyone who loves to switch things up often. Play around with the arrangement. Stack them vertically for a dramatic look, line them up in a staggered row for visual interest, or go for an asymmetrical pattern to add a modern twist. The layout is totally up to you and your space. Now comes the fun part. Styling. Use Dollar Tree decor like mini plants, framed photos, candles, or quirky decorative objects. Mix and match textures and colors to reflect your personality and make the shelves truly yours. For a designer-inspired look, group items in odd numbers and mix tall and small pieces. This creates a balanced, curated vibe that looks effortlessly chic. Don't forget to add faux greenery or a stack of books for extra flair. These little touches bring life and personality to your display, making it feel cozy and inviting. When you turn on those LED lights, your shelves will glow with serious designer vibes. It's amazing how a few simple tweaks can make your space feel totally transformed. The best part? These shelves are lightweight and renter-friendly, so you can easily swap out decor for any season, holiday, or mood. Refresh your look as often as you like, no commitment required. Step back and admire your work. Watch as a once plain wall transforms into a stunning statement feature, all thanks to a little Dollar Tree magic and your creativity. Which shelf arrangement would you try first? Share your ideas in the comments. I can't wait to see how you style your own floating shelf fantasy. And there you have it. 3 stylish, affordable DIYs to transform your space. Luxe wall art, designer table decor, and modern floating shelves, all on a budget. Which project will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and share your own Dollar Tree hacks. If you enjoyed these ideas, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. There's more DIY magic coming your way. Stay creative, stay weird, and I'll see you in the next one.